वन्दे मातरं सुजलां सुबलां मलयज शीतलां वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं. What are you singing? I'm singing Vande Mataram song. Do you know who wrote this song? Yes, it was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Let's know more about the song. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. It was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. It is one of India's most iconic patriotic songs. The song praises the land of India as a divine mother symbolizing unity, fertility and strength. The song was tuned and sung by Rabindranath Tagore in 1896. Okay, come, let's sing together. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Wishing you all happy Independence Day.